Hey everyone, Justin here from Core Performance with an update preview video of our all-new ICEPLATE Gen 3. ICEPLATE Gen 3 is the best ice plate we've ever built, and it's not even close. Those improvements start with a part weight that is about 20% lighter than the outgoing ICEPLATE curve it replaces, tipping the scales at just 11.5 ounces dry. Now those improvements with weight also come with a slightly increased capacity, where we've upped capacity by about 5% to 52.4 ounces. That increased capacity, however, comes in a slightly thinner profile, which is now slightly slimmer, but still optimized within the medium ESAPI geometry. One of the other improvements that we're most excited about is this new dual port fill system. We now have a top fill port and a bottom fill port. This makes ICEPLATE Gen 3 incredibly modular because there are two caps for the top fill port. The one that I'm holding right now, which is a valve cap, and we also have a closed cap. So this makes ICEPLATE Gen 3 easier to use than ever. If you want cooling and warming only, just go closed cap, closed cap. If you want drinkable ice plates, you go valve cap, ice cap Gen 3. Super, super easy. The valve cap has also been significantly improved, designed from the ground up to address a lot of the problems that our customers had with the previous one-way valve. It is now completely recessed within the cap so that it cannot be struck or removed or otherwise lost very easily at all. And then there's also the thing that we're the most excited about, which will seem to be a little bit boring to everybody at first, which is production capacity. We can now make more ICEPLATE Gen 3s in one day than we could make in an entire quarter with ICEPLATE Curve. We've increased production capacity by 90x. That's right, 90x. And at first, a lot of you are going to be like, well, why is that a big deal? Why do I care? Well, one of the biggest complaints that we had consistently from every customer, military, law enforcement, enterprise safety, and direct-to-consumer end user, you name it, was that there just was not enough availability for ICEPLATE Curve. We've fixed that problem. We can now build hundreds of thousands and millions, if need be, of ICEPLATE Gen 3s every year. That should make it very, very easy for everybody to access, and you'll be able to order ICEPLATE Gen 3 in huge quantities right off the website. Shortly, we're going to be offering ICEPLATE Gen 3 in Gaylord quantities of over 400 units. That's right, you could go on the website and order a pallet of ice plates. Believe it or not, there's actually a lot of our customers who need this functionality and need this ease of access. We hope that helps, guys. ICEPLATE Gen 3 drops Friday, November 14th at 12 p.m. exclusively to Launchpad email subs.